Let's see how to enable apps lock on OnePlus Mobile. Now enter your mobile lock password. You can use different passwords to lock mobile apps. Select a question from here and write its answer. Now you can lock apps of your choice. I have locked these two apps.